Welcome to Real Judge, your one-stop legal podcast for the most thought-provoking questions in Indian law. Today's topic is something rarely talked about. Can a husband claim maintenance from his wife under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955? Let's break it down. Introduction in traditional Indian society. Maintenance is often seen as a benefit granted only to wives. But the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, goes beyond stereotypes. It recognizes that even a husband can be financially dependent, and if so, he too can legally seek maintenance both during the case and after divorce. Legal basis: there are two key sections in the Act. Section 24, Maintenance Pendanti Light. This means temporary maintenance during court proceedings. If either the husband or the wife has no independent income, they can ask the court to direct the other party to pay maintenance and litigation expenses. Section 25, Permanent Alimony and Maintenance. After divorce, either spouse, husband, or wife can claim permanent alimony in a lump sum or monthly payments, depending on the circumstances. Yes, you heard that right, even a husband can apply under both these sections. When can husband get maintenance? A husband may be granted maintenance if he is genuinely unemployed or underemployed, he is physically or mentally unfit to work, the wife is financially well off, like a salaried professional or running a business. However, courts are strict. If the husband is capable of earning but chooses not to, maintenance may be denied. Landmark judgments. Let's look at some important case laws. Kanchan v. Kamalendra, 1992, Bombay High Court held that Section 24 applies equally to both spouses. There's no gender discrimination in law. Shailja v. Cabana, 2018. SC, the Supreme Court ruled that maintenance is a right based on economic dependency, not gender. Rajneesh v. Neha, 2020, Supreme Court laid down guidelines to assess financial capacity of both spouses, bringing transparency in maintenance awards. Burden of proof. If a husband is claiming maintenance, he must prove that he is not earning or is earning too little. Show that the wife has sufficient income. Submit documents like income proofs, affidavits, or medical records if needed. Duration and amount. Maintenance under Section 24 lasts until the case is decided. Permanent alimony under Section 25 can be monthly for life or one-time lump sum. The court decides based on lifestyle during marriage, income gap, needs and liabilities of both parties. Hama v. Kirpmani confuse this with Section 125 of KRPC. Here's the difference. Criteria: Hindu Marriage Act Section 125. Natura civil criminal quasi. Gender neutral? Yes, both can claim, mostly women, children, and parents. Interim relief has no specific provision. Long-term supporting size. Modern trends today, with more women becoming financially independent, courts are seeing more maintenance claims by husbands, especially where the husband is aged, unwell, or facing genuine hardship. Still, such cases are rare, and courts examine them carefully to prevent misuse. So, to wrap up, yes, a husband can claim maintenance from his wife under the Hindu Marriage Act, but only if he is genuinely unable to maintain himself and the wife is financially capable. Indian law is evolving, and the courts are now focusing on financial equity, not just gender roles. Thanks for tuning in to Real Judge. If you found this episode useful, follow us for more legal insights in plain language. Until next time, stay aware, stay empowered.